students, today we will try to solve out problems based on numerical problems based on the series and the parallel combination of resistors. So first of all, I'll take this problem. Suppose a 6-volt battery is connected across a lamp whose resistance is 20 ohm through a variable resistor as shown in the figure below. If the current in the circuit is 0.25 ampere, calculate the value of the resistance from the resistor which must be used. So here, according to the question, this is the figure which is given over here. You can see that the potential is given out to be 6 volt. The current is given as 0.25 ampere. Now students, in order to start with, we have to follow two simple steps. First, that we have to name the resistors very clearly, and second, we need to look at the current. Is the amount of current flowing the resistors are equal or it is different? So let me call this as resistance R1 and this resistor as R2. Okay, now we can see here through a 6-volt battery a 20 ohm lamp is connected and 0.25 ampere is flowing through it. Now you see when this current 0.25 ampere is flowing through it, R1, the same current is flowing through R2. So clearly R1 and R2 are in series. Right? Now first of all, we will write what is given. So given is V is equal to 6 volt, I is equal to 0.25 ampere. Now R1 and R2, since they are connected in series, so we'll write here R12, that is the combination of R1 and R2, is equal to R1 plus R2, which is equal to R1 plus 20 ohm. Right? So now the question is that what should be this unknown resistance R1? Calculate the value of resistance from the resistor which must be used. So we need to find R1, right? So we will using the mathematical form of Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. So V is equal to I R12, right? So V is 6 volt, I is 0.25 ampere, and R12 we'll write here as it is. So R12, which is not which it will be 6 volt divided by 0.25 ampere, and this is nothing but R1 plus 20 ohm, right? So you can see here 6 divided by 0.25 is 4. So here I'll write R1 plus 20 is equal to 4 ohm, right? So R1 is equal to 24 ohm. So R1 will be equal to 24 minus 20, that is 4 ohm, right? I repeat, here in this question it is given that V is 6 volt, current 0.25 ampere is flowing through R1 and R2. We have labeled these two resistors as R1 and R2. R1 and R2, through both these resistors the same current is flowing, and hence they are connected in series. Since they are connected in series, so their equivalent resistance is going to be R1 plus R2, that is R1 plus 20 ohm. We'll use the Ohm's law. V is equal to IR, or simply V is equal to IR12, that is the combination of R1 and R2. We'll simply substitute the values. V is equal to 6 volt, I is equal to 0.25 ampere, and R12. Okay, so you see here that R12 is, since it is equal to R1 plus 20, and then we have 6 divided by 0.25. 6 divided by 0.25 is 24. So R1 is equal to 20. R1 plus 20 is equal to 24 ohm. R1 is equal to 24 minus 20, that is 4 ohm, and this is our answer. So R1 is equal to 4 ohm. This is the desired answer. I hope this is clear to all. Now we'll consider another example. Now see, when two resistors of R1 and R2 are connected in parallel, the net resistance is 3 ohm. When two resistors R1 and R2 are connected in parallel, the net resistance is 3 ohm. When connected in series, its net value is 16 ohm. Calculate the value of R1 and R2. Now students, here we have two resistors R1 and R2. Now when these two are connected in parallel, so R parallel will be equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. And when they are connected in parallel, its value is given out to be 3 ohm. Right? This is what given to us. So I'll name it as equation 1 because we are going to use this later. When connected in series, its net value is 16 ohm, means R series, that is R1 plus R2, its value is 16 ohm. So this is equation number 2. Now we have to find out the values of R1 and R2 separately. So what we will do? We will use this. So now see, we'll start with equation 2, that is R1 plus R2 is equal to 16. Right? Now multiply both the hand sides by R1. Okay? So we'll get here R1 square plus R1 R2 is equal to 16 times R1. Now you see here, again from 1 and 2 we can find one more thing. If we substitute 2 in 1, that is R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2 is equal to 3 ohm. So here R1 plus R2 is 16 ohm. So R1 R2 divided by 16 is equal to 3 ohm. So clearly we have R1 R2 is equal to 3 ohm into 16, that is 48 ohm. Right? Now we will put this value of R1 R2 over here. So let me call this as equation 3. So using equation 3 in the above quadratic equation. I am calling as quadratic because you can see here R1 is of power square, right? So it is a form of quadratic equation. So we'll substitute, we'll get R1 square plus 48 ohm is equal to 16 times R1. Right? Now bring this R1 square minus 16 R1 plus 48 is equal to 0. So this simple quadratic equation can be solved very easily. R1 square minus 4R1 minus 12R1. 16R1 can be written as minus 16R1 can be written as minus 4R1 minus 12R1 plus 48 is equal to 0. So take out R1 common from here. R1, we are left with R1 minus 4, and then we'll take out 12 common here. We'll be left with R1 minus 4 is equal to 0. So we have two roots of this equation, R1 minus 4 and R1 minus 12, which is equal to 0. So either R1 is equal to 4 ohm or R1 is equal to 12 ohm. Now R1 R2, it is given out to be 48 ohm. So when R1 is 4 ohm, then R2 will be equal to 48 divided by 4, that is 12 ohm. And when R1 is 12 ohm, then R1 R2, which is equal to 48 ohm. If R1 we are taking as 12 ohm, then R2 will be 48 divided by 12, that is 4 ohm. So the values are either, so values of resistance R1 and R2, R1 and R2 are 4 ohm and 12 ohm. This is what being asked in the question. Calculate the value of R1 and R2. right? So R1 R2 are 12 ohm and 4 ohm. Thank you.